So STOGA sent me one of their keyboards to check out today, and today we're just going to unbox and take a look at what they've sent me. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the STOGA MK25. So this right here is the front of the box with the big STOGA logo in the middle, and on the top we can see the model, the M2561 keys. It's a gaming mechanical keyboard, and on the left side we can see that it has RGB, mechanical switches, and a high and low key design. Let's take a look at the round of the box. On the top and bottom is just STOGA again. On the right we have the MK2561 keys, and then on the bottom we can see a whole lot of details actually. Let's check it out. So this right here is a mechanical keyboard, as I said, and I have the Xu kind of switches. I'm not sure what brand that is, but we'll check it out later. And then the color I got is white, and then I got a brown shaft, and then it's a square keycap instead of the round one, and a US layout. Really nice. Now let's unbox it. Okay, so first thing on the top we actually get is this. This is the STOGA user manual for the keyboard. Let's check it out. So this manual just goes through how the keyboard looks like and all of the functions of the keys. Other than that, we have more things in the box. Let me just take it out. So this is all the stuff we get from the STOGA MK25 box. Let's check it out one by one. So first thing you get right here is a Type A to Type C USB cable. It's a little bit cheap looking and feeling, but I think it'll get the job done. Other than that, you also get this black plastic keycap puller right here to pull out all of the keycaps if you plan on switching them out. Now let's check out the keyboard. So first impressions of the keyboard, it feels really solid in my hands, but I can feel that it is solely made of plastic. I can feel that the whole thing is really just plastic. So actually the keycaps that they're given right here are really nice because they are pull-in keycaps. We can take a look at that when we turn it on. But now let's just go through what the keyboard has. So on the top we can see the layout of the keyboard. It's a 61 key or a 60% layout, which is really standard, really nice. On the top, on the left side, we have actually the Type-C connector for the keyboard, and it has this kind of design to it. On the bottom, it's just flat with the curved design again, and then on the sides, this is how the profile looks like. Kind of looks like cherry profile to me, or OEM profile. And on the bottom, we get these 2 feet right here, which are 2 times adjustable with 2 heights. So we have the tallest one, and then we have a medium height like this. They feel really solid, and on the bottom we also get this rubber feet to prevent it from moving around. And then of course we have the STOGA logo again and a few specifications of the keyboard. Now let's plug it in and see how it looks like. So I just plugged it in. It's looking really nice right now. As I said, it comes with pulled-in keycaps and they look really awesome. So you can get the shine through on all of the sides. Honestly, for the price, this is kind of a nice keyboard at the 60% mark. Now let's take a look at the switches that they gave me. So the switches they sent to me are some tactile switches. These are some tactile browns. I'm not sure what brand this is because I can't really see it and it's kind of weird. So these are the stabilizers included, and they are not looped. They are just some standard stabilizers straight from the factory. So this is what the keycap looks like close up. So as I said, it's a pudding keycap, so on the sides it's actually translucent and the top is plastic. And this is what it looks like at the bottom. And this is how the spacebar looks like. Now let's go for a sound test. So I just want to say a huge thanks to STOGA for sending out this keyboard for me to check out. After using it for a few days, I'd say that it's a really nice budget keyboard, but the quality of the steps and the keyboard could be much better. So if you're interested in this keyboard, do check out the links in the description. Everything will be linked down there, and you can check out STOGA at their website. So that is it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more content like this coming very soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.